Welcome to Instanero. Today we're going to be building a website. Doing this with video because in the previous video I explained about the model GRM-2.6-Opus, which I said builds very beautiful websites. And I had a look online and didn't see any videos about it or anything. So I thought I would share to you what it can do. So today we're going to be using that model. We're going to build a website and see how it comes out. I asked ChatGPT to write me a little website, a prompt for a website purpose, a free platform where anyone can upload a single HTML files, instant publish, share as publicly. I know there's a lot of these websites out there. This is just for example. So then for this, I need to actually we will pick this. Let's see what we're gonna pick. Landing. I didn't pick this one yet. We can make it. Let's see. What about a single product? Now let's keep it at Creative Studio. Yeah, we'll keep it at Creative Studio. Then for visuals, mood and aesthetics, brutalist, vibe, tech, futuristic, structure, navbar, footer, then local logos and social proof, themes, frequently asked questions and contact forms, 3D scenes, dark mode, animation. So I'm going to start the build now and then I'm going to fast forward through it. So I'll see you on the other side. Okay, so we're back. Build the website. I'm going to export it now and then I'll be back when it's open. Welcome back. I opened it now. Okay, this is the website it built it. Let's go through it. Why why HTML for you? Sandbox security, place that nice. Okay, yeah, it made a little mistake, but that's prompting problems. Frequently asked questions, meet our team, get in touch. That's also a prompt problem. It's not the model. Uh, Pricing, okay. About page, okay, it's got about page. Done very well, not bad. Contacts, it's a very simplistic website. It made these little problems, but that can be solved with prompting issue. But it's very nice. What I didn't mention as well in the video is this model is a Q4 model, so it's not even the full model. It's contentized model. So it really does very well for what size it is, I must say. Building websites perfectly. This can be solved through prompting. I built a few other pages before this and they were all perfect. So that must just have been a prompting issue. And then I would like to leave me some comments if you can, please. Suggestions, improvement, or if you want me to test something else in the future, that will be nice. I will also leave the link of this model in my description if you're interested in using it. And then I will see you guys on the next video. Cheers.